Hi all, welcome to SRSCC Academy. In this video, let's learn about how to convert octal to hexadecimal conversion. Octal it uses 8 digits from 0 to 7 whose base is 8. Hexadecimal it uses 16 digits whose base is 16. That means it is uses from 0 to 9. From 10 onwards to 15, we represent 10 is equal to A, 11 to B, 12 to C, 13, E 14 like that. Okay, F is equal to 15 is equal to F, 14 is equal to E like that. Okay, next here octal to we have to convert the octal number to binary, then we have to convert binary to hexadecimal. One octal digit is equal to 3 bits, one hexadecimal is equal to 4 bits. One octal digit is equal to 3 means 2 to the power of 3. We have to group 3 bits. 1 hexadecimal is equal to 4 bits, 2 to the power of is equal to 16. 16 in the sense 1 hexa number, so you have to group 4 bits. Here let's convert this 157. Here 157 157 is equal to 157. Here I will represent this 7 in binary 1 1 1 5 1 0 1. This is 1 0 0 1. Now group 4 bits from right side. This 4 bit, this is 4 bit. Now 0 is remaining, you have to add these 3 zeros. Okay, this is 1 1, this is 1 1 1 1 F. Next 0 1 1 0, this is 6, this is 0 only, you can write it. Okay, the binary number of the hexadecimal of 157 is equal to 0 6 F, or you can write 6F. Okay, this is your answer. Next let's go to second problem. 243. Okay, let's go to 243. 243 243 here hexadecimal. Okay, here represent this octal digits of binary 3 3 in the sense 0 1 1 4 1 0 0 2 0 1 0. Okay, now group 4 bits here like this. This one, this one, 0, 1 1 0 0 0 0. Next 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, now here this is 1 2 1 2 in the sense this is 3. Here 1 1 2 4 8. Okay, 1 2 4 10 8 plus 2 10 10 in the sense here a. This is 0, you can write in order. Okay, this is you can write or leave it, no problem. This is octal number of C. The hexadecimal of 243 is hexadecimal 243 is A3. Sorry, A3. You have to convert. I will give 2 more examples. Okay, you have to resolve. Convert 5 6 7 to hexadecimal, and one more I'll give 1 2 4 7. This one I'll give one more 3 4 6.123. Okay, thank you. you can convert these fraction bits also, no issues. Okay, thank you. Solve on your own. Thank you.